Ow! What the fuck's flying around me? Dude. Okay, seriously. Oh my god. Can someone please look at like...
These things are all up in my feet.
Ouch, ouch. These trees aren't very fucking sturdy.
Oh.
Ew, I don't want to touch that. God. What are we doing? Is this the way back? Like, what's... Dude, I don't think this is the way back. Are you sure?
I'm stuck.
No, we went that way.
I'm stuck.
Are you? Oh. Something's Ugh! The fuck? Coach, I don't think this is the way.
It's right there. I can see the farm.
Oh. True. Okay, there's no way. Holy hell, man! Holy shit! This is some steep shit. Oh, these are okay. Good. This. Ow! Motherfuckers be. Okay, seriously. Woo! Okay. Woo! Oh my god, we're in a tree. Coates, how did you get through this?
I bent down.
Ow! 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 Oh my god. Fuck nature walks. Oh, sun. Oh my god. Ow. Oh, okay. Definitely got like... Ow, I got wood... Ow. I have wood chips in my toes. Don't wear Birks on nature walks. Heads up. Hey, dog. Butte. I will.
No, like from up there.
I will. Okay, anyways, this is our video. Say peace. Peace.